Hi folks, it's Pammy here from Pammy's Pecker Pursuits. Today we're going to be making some sweet and sour chicken, but before we start, if we have a like and subscribe from you, I would be ever so grateful. I would love you to comment on what I get up to. That would be really great. Now today we're making some bread because we were away last week and didn't have any left when we got home, so got that ready this morning, and that's all ready to go into the oven to bake away and make the house smell absolutely delicious. Now for this sweet and sour chicken, I'm going to take 500 grams of chicken thighs, and we're going to dice them up into about 1-inch cubes, and then pop that into a Ziploc bag. Now, to that Ziploc bag, we're going to be adding about a half a cup of brown sugar and about a tablespoon of sesame oil. This will make a lovely marinade for the chicken to sit in during the day. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And because I'm using pineapple in this sweet and sour, I'm going to use about half of the juice from this tin of pineapple slices. And once that's ready, I'm going to give it a really good smoosh, work all the juices and sugars into that meat, and then leave it to marinate in the fridge for the rest of the day. Into the measuring cup there, I'm popping the rest of the juice from the pineapple, and I'm going to chop up that pineapple and add it to the onion that I've already diced up, ready for browning off in the pan in a little bit. Here we have all that bread out of the oven, ready for delicious sandwiches or even just plain bread and butter. Nothing better on fresh bread than just plain butter melted into warm bread. Now I'm going to pop some oil into this pot and get that all heated up, ready for that onion and pineapple. And in the meantime, I'm going to get some sauce ready. I've got the pineapple juice from earlier, and I'm going to add another couple of tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and a nice big slosh, maybe a quarter of a cup of soy sauce, and give that a really good stir. Add the rest of the brown sugar, about a quarter of a cup of brown sugar, and a good heaping tablespoon of ginger. And once that gets mixed in, I'm going to add 3 heaped tablespoons, probably close to a third of a cup of corn flour, so that that sauce will get nice and thick. Just get that in there and just give it a stir. Get it all mixed up so there's no lumps left. And then get that lovely onion and pineapple into the pot to sear and caramelize some of those lovely sugars in the pineapple. Now into the onion and pineapple, I'm going to add about a cup each of red and green capsicum, diced up, and about a cup, maybe a cup and a half of carrots. And get all of those things in there mixed up, looking beautiful and colorful, and getting all heated through. Now once that's all heated through and the juice is boiling a little bit, we are going to add the chicken and stir that all in and let it start to cook in the juices. Let it simmer for probably 15 to 20 minutes, stirring it every once in a while and just keeping it moving. Just simmer for about 20 minutes. After about 20 minutes, that chicken is all cooked. The vegetables are soft. I'm going to add the sauce, stirring it in a little bit at a time, letting it thicken up and keeping it moving so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. In the meantime, I've got some rice cooking in the rice cooker. It's actually just reheating because we made heaps of rice last night so that we would have some left for tonight. And that's heating through, getting ready to serve for dinner. Once that's all thick and saucy and sweet and sour, we're ready to serve it up and have a delicious dinner. So that's all ready and the rice is ready. We've got some bowls and we are ready to serve up our sweet and sour chicken with a bowl full of rice, a simple but filling dinner, and you will notice that there is plenty of chicken left in the pot, so this will also be dinner for either tomorrow night or the next night, depending if I want to cook tomorrow. So it makes lots and lots of vegetables, a little bit of chicken, makes the chicken go a long, long way. The 500 grams of chicken that I started with will probably feed 6 servings of sweet and sour chicken. We're now ready. We'll get that sweet and sour chicken into the bowls, and that will be a delicious, hot, warming dinner for the end of an extremely blustery, cold spring day. Nice and heated with that bit of ginger and nice sweet and sour and spicy, and that we will enjoy immensely.